In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your LegalZoom subscription. Whether you've decided that you no longer need the services, or perhaps you found a more suitable option, canceling your LegalZoom subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can do it with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to start by logging into your LegalZoom account. Head over to the LegalZoom website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, find and select the My Account option. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings and preferences. It's important to make sure that you're navigating to the correct section to manage your subscriptions, so take your time here. As the page loads, you'll notice that your profile icon remains visible in the top right corner. Click on your profile again, as this will allow you to access deeper account features, including your subscriptions. Once you've clicked on your profile, look for the subscriptions link. This is the next step in the process, and it's where you'll find the details of your active subscriptions with LegalZoom. Once you're in the subscriptions section, you'll see a list of all your active services. Carefully review the list to ensure you're selecting the right subscription you wish to cancel. It's always a good idea to double-check this, especially if you have multiple services with LegalZoom. After you've identified the correct subscription, there should be an option to cancel the service. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. These prompts might include confirming your decision, providing a reason for cancellation, or other final steps. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully to ensure the cancellation is processed successfully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you successfully canceled your LegalZoom subscription. Remember, if at any point you feel unsure, you can always reach out to LegalZoom's customer service for further assistance. They are typically very helpful and can guide you through any additional questions you might have. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a little bit easier for you. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time, take care and good luck managing your subscriptions.